This Austcom training session is to show how to create a thumbnail gallery starting from scratch. First thing I do is create a new piece of content on the page. I choose text with image as a standard piece of content. I'm going to put that new piece of content above the existing piece, and I'm going to call this piece of content a gallery. I'll go to the media section and go to my file folders, and I'm going to go to my images folder. Then I'm going to go and upload the images from my computer to the images folder on the internet. Pick 1, pick 2, and double click on pick 4. They're sitting there ready to go up to the website. Now I can upload those files. Once they're uploaded into the file folder system, I can then simply click on them to load them to this particular page or anywhere else I want them. Choose there, there, and there to choose multiple images. I can then close this window and you'll see that my images are now loaded into the images panel. I'm going to center the images to the column that I'm in. I'm going to give them a width of 200 pixels, which is the standard unit of measure on the web. I'm going to ask them to click to enlarge. I'm going to give them a caption. Pick 1, enter. Pick 2, enter. Pick 3. I don't have to enter there. If I wish, I can put mouse over text, and I enter after each word to make the mouse over text appear on each image. So I've asked the image to click to enlarge, I've put a caption, I've given them a width, I've positioned them in relation to the column, and that's all I need to do. I can now save and close that content, and the page will refresh, revealing my new gallery. In this particular case, the gallery is represented horizontally. Vertically, I should say. I can ask it to now represent horizontally. If I go to the media section and choose these options in the position tab panel. Instead of one column, I choose it to appear in 3 columns and save and close. You'll notice that the page refreshes and the images are now represented horizontally. That concludes this session.